Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn some of the important commands in the Linux, that is removing the directory or the files, or moving of the files or the directory, and the last one is the copying of the file or the directory. So these three commands we'll try to see. So we have learned about how to create a file, how to create the directory, and the nano editor, how to edit the files, and these are all the things we have seen it. Now the important, the last thing whatever is left is the removing a file. So if you want to remove the file, what we need to do is we have a command called as an rm. So normally how you will delete a file, for example, let's say that, so this is the file 1, and if you try to delete this file, so you will right click and you will tell move to trash. Automatically the file will be deleted. Then afterwards sometime you realize that, oh, I don't want to delete this file, I need that file. Then what you can do in the graphical user interface, just you can go to the trash bin and you can get that file automatically, and if you click here, so you can restore from the trash, automatically the file will come here. So this is one way. So this is all through the UI interface, but through the command line also we can delete the file. But here you need to understand that there is no replacement or there is no backup for this one. If you are trying to delete that file through the command line means, then that means it is permanently gone. So the temporarily it will not be stored in another place like trash or anything. By using the command, it is permanently gone. That is the thing you need to remember. And now here this is our terminal. So let's say that I am in the desktop. That is nothing but my home user, test user, and these are all the list of files which we are having. Let's say that I want to remove that file 1. So just you can write file 1. That's it. So if you try to click on this one, automatically file 1 will be deleted. Here also the file 1 doesn't exist. So if you try to see the ls, the file 1 has been deleted. So this is how you can delete it directly, the file 1. And now if you try to see the command or the manual for this rm, so remove files or directories. And now if you come down here, you will be able to see the prompt before every removal. So I means it will ask you that whether I want to delete it or not, yes or no. So for example, let's say that I want to delete rm file1.txt, let's assume file1.txt, and I will give -i. Then it will ask you that shall I want to remove this one. So if you type y means automatically that will be deleted. So this is the interactive option. Now if you try to come down, you will be able to see another option which is nothing but -d. So this removes the empty directories. So that means, so this is used to remove the directories. For example, let's say that, let's go to queue, and here we are having ls, right? So let me clear these all things. So let's say that I have a directory mkdir test directory. So let's try to go into this test directory, and I will create some files like file1, file2, and file3. Okay, or otherwise let's come back, and we know that if you try to check this ls test file folder, all the files are empty. Now I want to delete this test folder. So how can I delete this one? So we know that rs test. That's it. Now if you try to click here, it is saying that we cannot delete the test directory. Why? Because it is a directory, it is saying, it is not a file. So that means we need to provide an option in such a way that rm test, and you need to provide an option -d. Now if you try to click here, automatically the directory is created, deleted. So this is how we will be deleting. For example, let's say that I am having mkdir test folder, I am creating again. So I am let's go into this test folder, and let's say that we are having some files like file1, file2, and x and y. So these are the files which we are having. Now if you type ls, so these are the 4 files which we are having in the test folder. So if you try to see here in the user interface also, you will be able to see that these are the files existing. So that means this folder or this directory is not empty. So now I want to delete this one. So what can I do? So let me clear it out, this one all. Yeah. So I want to delete this one, rm -d. Okay. And I want to delete this test folder. So it is telling that directory is not empty. So that means even if I mention this -d option also, it is not deleting. Why? Because only the empty directories will be deleted if you mention the -d option. So then it is telling that the test directory is not empty. So please, so I cannot delete this one, is saying. So even if you want to delete this file, even the files are existing means, then you need to provide an option that is man rm. If you try to see here, So here you will be having one option that is nothing but I will try to show you. Yeah, -r. So this one is a recursive. So -r small r or -capital R, whatever it may be. So whichever maybe you want to use it, you can use it, not a problem. And recursive. So this one removes the directories and also the contents, and also the contents also recursively it is trying to delete it. Let's try to provide this option. So here I will try to delete rm-d, okay, or otherwise I can provide -r directly. So now there is no need to provide the -d. Why? Because -r means recursively we are trying to delete it. And test, if I try to mention, now if I press enter, automatically that entire folder has been created. If you try to see the ls by typing ls, so nothing is present here. So that means the test folder is not there. So like this we can delete the entire thing. Now you may be getting doubt that I don't want to delete this entire directory or the entire files in the directory. I want to maintain some files in that one, so that whenever I am trying to delete, so this prompt has to ask me that whether I need to delete it or not. Then we can use an interactive mode. For example, let's say that I will create again mkdir test. So in this let's go to the test one, and here I will create touch x comma y comma z a comma b comma c. Okay, so these are the files which I am trying to create it. Let's assume. So if you try to see abc xyz, these are the files that are existing in the test folder. Now if you try to open this one here also, interactive thing, and here you will be able to see these are all the files that are present in this one. Now what I want to do here, let's go back, and I want to delete it recursively, but I don't want to delete all the files. I want to keep only the a and x file. So then what I want to do it is, so here you need to do rm-recursive, and I need to use an interactive mode, and I want to delete this test. So then it is telling that, so do I need to enter, do I want to enter into the test directory? Yes. So press yes. And do you want me to delete the z folder? Yes, I want to delete it. Do you want to delete the a folder? No, I don't want to delete this one. So do you want to delete the x folder? No, I don't want to delete this one. So remaining all you can delete it. Okay, so these are all can be deleted. So do you want to remove the test folder? Well, I don't want to remove this test directory. Why? Because I want to keep a and x file in the test directory. Remaining all needs to be deleted. So I can keep no. So now if you try to see the ls, and if you go into the test folder, and if you see the ls a b x y z, oh sorry, we haven't mentioned that z and all those things, right? So let's try to clear it out. And here what I will do is I will do the same thing. Okay, and I will do the same thing. Yes, do you want to descending? Yes, I need to provide yes. So do you want to delete z? Yes. Do you want to delete? No. Do you want to delete? No. And you want to delete b? Yes. You want to delete y? Yes. Then you want to delete remove the directory? No, I don't want to remove it. So now if you go into the test folder, only the a and x files will be available. See, like this you can give the interactive mode, so that the terminal will ask you each file or each directory, do you want to remove it or not. So this is how we can do it. But if you are having large more and more content means, so this will be too much annoying. But hope this one is somewhat helpful, which I want to show you. So this is how we will be deleting the folders or the files in the Linux or the Unix environment using the rm command. So if you want to know more details about this rm command means, you can use this man rm, and you can able to try all the options. -force means so existences are all the things, so you'll be having. So this is all about the rm thing. In the next video we will see about the move command and also a copy command, so that we can able to understand it very easily. So that's it guys about this removing the files. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.